Modern IT leaders are waking up to a harsh reality. The infrastructure they rely on is suddenly out of their control. On the left, we see the immediate threat: Broadcom's volatile changes to VMware renewal rules, combined with looming deadlines to migrate legacy SAP systems. These sudden mandates force a reactive scramble, pushing teams to attempt highly risky application refactors simply to keep the lights on. You cannot build next-generation applications on a burning platform. Survival requires an immediate return to stability. That stability comes through Google Cloud VMware Engine. GCVE acts as a targeted strategic rescue operation. The progression relies on strict phasing: prove recoverability with disaster recovery first, reduce platform risk by establishing control next, and only then modernize production workloads. The hidden advantage is operational continuity. Administrators retain nearly 99% full vCenter access, so their decade of muscle memory translates perfectly. This graphic breaks down the financial mechanism behind the strategy. By optimizing licensing waste, Softchoice implements a zero-cost modernization framework where immediate operational savings directly fund the innovation assessment. Escaping legacy contracts and securing the core infrastructure provides the financial and operational oxygen an enterprise needs to explore AI. Once the core is secure, the posture shifts from defensive recovery to offensive capability. This illustration maps out the required architectural transition. Anthos and Google Kubernetes Engine, or GKE, act as the essential bridge, moving an organization from simply running in the cloud to operating natively within it. Without this unified foundation, artificial intelligence models remain isolated in pilot purgatory. With it, they are pulled into enterprise-grade production. The modernization runway is remarkably fast. Legacy workloads are containerized and wired into advanced AI pipelines in a matter of weeks. This architecture supports two distinct operational modes. You can tap into Gemini via Vertex AI for maximum speed and governance, or self-host open-source models directly on GKE for complete portability. Achieving true technological scale requires treating AI as a deeply integrated utility rather than an isolated experiment. But a resilient architecture has to survive outside the climate-controlled walls of a corporate data center. As shown here, Google Distributed Cloud is built specifically for that reality. It modernizes the regulated edge and highly sovereign, air-gapped environments. Looking at this infrastructure map, you can see how GDC routes cloud intelligence directly to disconnected physical locations, empowering factory floors, power grids, and remote retail outposts. It delivers Department of Defense-grade hardware to the mid-market, ensuring strict Protected B compliance, data residency, and zero-trust security, all without slowing down AI deployments. And it includes an absolute operational failsafe. If the wide area network fails and the connection to the public internet is severed, critical workloads and local machine learning models continue running smoothly. True innovation for the public sector and heavy industry means executing advanced capabilities within rigid physical constraints. A visionary cloud architecture is useless if an organization lacks the ability to deploy it safely. This Venn diagram highlights the solution: the combined execution capability of Softchoice and worldwide technology. They apply an operator mindset to eliminate the risks of a messy lift-and-shift migration. The physical proof of that capability is housed right here, inside Worldwide Technology's Advanced Technology Center. This lab operates as a massive digital twin. Engineers simulate complex failovers and eradicate operational guesswork before a single line of code touches a live production environment. Completely removing the deployment risk is what finally allows an enterprise to execute its transformation strategy. The complete strategic journey is clear: escape legacy constraints, build a unified cloud-native architecture, and achieve sovereign AI scale at the edge. The immediate next step is outlined here. A 30-minute renewal rescue review is designed to build a concrete disaster recovery path, establish the cost logic, and create a fast execution plan. Engage Softchoice and Google Cloud to map your exact path forward. Direct: you can remain trapped in a reactive survival mode, or you can take strategic control of your future.